You know something that you don't realize, or that you probably never look at least I never really realized or looked at it, the side of your microwave, until one day you video it and you see it in the video and you're like, I really need to clean the side of my microwave. That's what happened to me today. See, what the deal is, y'all, is all these boys and men around here are always working on something, and they get stuff all over their hands, grease, paint, glue, whatever, and then they'll come in here and their hands are all stained up from it, you know, and they'll wash them, but somehow it still gets on the side of my microwave when they, I guess, type stuff in, you know, key in their time or something. They put their hands all over here. I don't know. Now, what time is it, Manny?
Cookie day!
Cookie day. It's cookie time. We baked our cookies this morning. Do you want to do sugar cookie or gingerbread? Gingerbread? Here you go. Do you want to put white on it first?
Put white on it first and then blue. Wait, is that one yours?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'll put green sprinkles on my tree, Manny. Oh, is that his smile?
Yeah.
Ooh, these come out fast, don't they?
Yeah, almost like me. When I was decorating a cookie one time. Now, I'll use this. Time to make the eyes.
Jonah made his own gingerbread house out of the gingerbread dough, so he's gonna try to put that together and see if it'll work here in a minute.
That looks nice.
This tree was broken, so I'm having this one, but the white icing that we made is the royal icing. I'll link that or type that recipe out for y'all down below. It'll dry. Here's the snowflake I did earlier, so you can see it'll dry, and then you can stack the cookies. Still a little bit soft around some spots, but after they sit for a little while, it'll get completely dry on there, and you can, you know, just stack the cookies to put in gift boxes or whatever, and it won't mess up the icing. Manly's eating his as soon as he decorates them.
We're Santa's little helpers, we make the wheels go round. Day and night, night and day, here in Christmas Town. We're Santa's little helpers, and it's us you wanna know. If you want a date under the mistletoe. We're Santa's little helpers, and we make all the toys. The trinkets for the girls and the trucks for the boys. We're Santa's little helpers, and we know every trick, 'cause we wrote the book on Old Saint Nick. It's a foggy Christmas night. So Rudolph, shine your light. Santa's little helper. Santa's little helper.
Christmas. I cannot believe it. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. I'm making a Christmas morning sausage casserole this morning. So I've got some sausage in there. I got my water heating up for the French press right there. And the oven is preheating to 350. And this one is going to be a little bit different than probably some of the other ones you see, because it's going to be a sausage gravy one. So we're going to cook this sausage, add a little bit of flour and milk to it to make it sausage gravy, and then we'll layer up the casserole. Oh, and we're going to use pepperjack cheese. Let me go ahead and get that out. I'm going ahead and cooking this before I get ready so I don't smell like sausage, because as soon as we finish eating breakfast, it'll be time to go leave for church, so I didn't want my clothes to smell like sausage. While the sausage is cooking, we'll shred the pepperjack cheese and dice up our red bell pepper. Oh, I need to turn my Christmas music on. There we go. Christmas jazz with Snoopy scenes. Gotta stir the sausage. Alright, The water's ready for the turkey. I think I'm going to go 375 on the oven. This is a Southern Christmas casserole with sausage gravy and all in it. Just a little hint of spice from the pepperjack cheese. I have 2 of these peppers, but I think I'm just going to use 1. Got those ready. We're ready over here to make the gravy, so I'm just going to put a little bit of flour in here. This doesn't have to be as much gravy as I normally would have going on for gravy biscuits, since this is going in the casserole. We're just going to do about that much flour, probably about a little over a quarter cup, maybe close to half a cup for this pound of sausage. And I've got this turned down to low now. We'll turn it back up in just a minute when we add the milk. There we go. I'm thinking that should be enough. We'll turn it back up to just a little under medium. We'll let this start simmering while I mix up the egg mixture. And if it's too thick, we'll add a little bit more milk. We need 8 eggs. I'm going to put a little bit of milk in here, about a quarter cup. I added just a little bit more milk in there with the gravy too, y'all. In here with the eggs, we're going to put just a little heavy cream. That was just a couple of tablespoons. Now we're just adding some salt and pepper. We'll break up the eggs and mix this all together. And I feel like we need just a little bit more milk in there. Quarter cup more, so we'll go with half a cup of milk. Alright, so now we're going to spray our casserole dish. Alright, we're putting down some shredded hash browns. I put these in the refrigerator so they could thaw out overnight. They're still just a little bit frozen, but it's fine. Now we're going to pour over the egg mixture. Just pour it right over the top. Now we'll put the gravy on top. Pepperjack cheese. And the red pepper. It's going to make it real Christmassy. You could do red and green. We're going to bake this covered for 30 minutes, then I'm going to uncover it and we'll bake it for about 10 to 15 more minutes after that. Alright y'all, it's time to pick a winner for Prancer's slow cooker giveaway. We need to put in a keyword filter. The answer to the question was fan. The question was, what was Scrooge's sister's name in Charles Dickens' A Christmas Carol? And the answer was fan. We're going to continue and it's going to get the comments for us. We're about to have a winner. Lori, congratulations. You are the winner. So leave me a comment down below and I'll figure out how to get in touch with you to get that slow cooker on the way. Everybody else stay tuned. I'm pretty sure Prancer has at least one more giveaway before Christmas.
not kidding. Like, that is super. I feel like I'm turning into super. Definitely do that, y'all. Do it on Christmas morning. Make everybody happy as they're opening up the presents.